Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your video have any copyrights before uploading it on YouTube. So first thing, you just select your video. For example, I will upload this one. After the upload, you just need to finish the process, and then if you see this tick mark on checks, so your video doesn't have any copyright. Now let's take an example where there is a copyright. Now with this new video that we uploaded, as you can see in the check part here, when we open it, we found that copyright is found. So let's see details. As you can see, there is a part of a song that is copyrighted. So to fix this, you can select Take Action. You can either erase the song or replace the song, or you can just cut the video. And then you can choose whatever action that suits you. And after that, your video will be fixed and there will be no more copyrights. And this is how you can check and fix the copyrights on your YouTube videos before uploading it. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.